Body parts. Parts of a dog. A dog has a head, ears, eyes, a nose, a mouth, a tongue, feet, legs, and a tail. Parts of a cow. A cow has horns, ears, eyes, a nose, a mouth, a tongue, udders, legs, and a tail. Parts of a lion. A lion has a head, ears, a mane, eyes, a nose, a mouth, claws, paws, legs, and a tail. Parts of a tiger. A tiger has a head, ears, eyes, a nose, a mouth, legs, paws, and a tail. Parts of a monkey. A monkey has a head, ears, eyes, a nose, a mouth, hands, legs, feet, and a tail. Parts of a walrus. A walrus has eyes, a nose, tusks, a mouth, flippers, and hind flippers. Parts of an elephant. An elephant has a head, eyes, ears, tusks, a trunk, a mouth, legs, feet, and a tail. Parts of a toad. A toad has eyes, nares, a mouth, warts, legs, and foot. Parts of a duck. A duck has a crown, eyes, a bill, a breast, webbed feet, feathers, wings, and a tail. Parts of a chicken. A chicken has a comb, eyes, a beak, a breast, toes, shanks, feathers, wings, and a vent. Parts of a turtle. A turtle has a head, eyes, nostrils, a mouth, nails, a shell, and legs. Parts of a crocodile. A crocodile has a head, eyes, nostrils, a mouth, fangs, legs, and a tail. Parts of a bird. A bird has a head, beak, breast, eyes, wings, feathers, tail, legs, and feet. Parts of an owl. An owl has a head, beak, eyes, body, wings, feathers, and feet. Parts of a fly. A fly has a head, compound eyes, a thorax, an abdomen, antennae, legs, and wings. Parts of a cockroach. A cockroach has a head, eyes, antennae, a thorax, an abdomen, wings, and legs. Parts of a fish. A fish has eyes, a mouth, gills, a body, pectoral fins, dorsal fins, and a tail. Parts of a mouse. A mouse has a head, eyes, ears, a nose, a mouth, legs, feet, and a tail. Parts of a horse. A horse has ears, eyes, nostrils, a mouth, a mane, legs, hooves, and a tail. Parts of a whale. A whale has eyes, a mouth, a body, flippers, and a tail. Hope you liked the video. Please like, subscribe, and share for more videos.